Hello everyone. Today I want to review my new jewelry pliers set from NEWACALOX. This is 8 pliers set. Comes with this beautiful base. It's very nice. And I think because of this base, you can see them very clearly, and where the tools are standing and stuff like that. And whatever you need it, you just grab it, use it and put it back. And also keeps your desk or working area organized. You don't need to search for them. It's like, and then waste your time, which is very, very important for crafters or for any person. And also I find the handles are very good too, and it's not very heavy, which is great. Very big plus. Yeah, also have lots of variety of tools too. You can choose which one you like and just grab it and use it and put it back, and just great set. I think it's very nicely designed. I think this will be good for any household, and not just for jewelry makers and crafters, because I can do lots of stuff with those. Let's see how they in action. I have some ceramic mushrooms. Will be earrings. Just put it there. I guess which one I use. I guess I use this one to press it. Easy peasy. Voila, one. And I have a second one. Perfect. I highly recommend these tools. It is great value for good money. They're not very expensive, which is make them very affordable. I will leave the link in the description box below, so you can check. Maybe you like them and you want it for your own house. Why not? They're a good set. And I guess, guys, I see you in the next video. Looks so nice. Have a good day. Bye.